I'll make a quick video about an H2, the serpentine belt idler, or no, it's not an idler. This is the tensioner. The idler would be right here. It's just idle. Tensioner has tension on it. It's spring loaded. So spring loaded on the inside. Let's get 3 bolt holes, and everything is very accessible from the top. You have to remove your ducting for your intake. So your intake duct, one flathead here, one flathead right here. You could take this off. You could move all this, take this off, but it's really not necessary. You can make it work. Main things you're gonna need: socket, ratchet, 5/8 or 15 millimeter would work. This is the old one. So you're gonna take your, while it's bolted to the vehicle, you take this, put it on there, turn it to the right to release tension off of the belt, and you're going to be able to slip the belt off. Be very careful, you could hurt your hand doing that. Once the belt is off, you could take your 3 bolts off, one there, one here, and there's one hidden, which is the lower one right here. Basically, once you get that on there, you can look up the torque specs if you'd like. I basically just snugged mine. I'll probably recheck them after driving it for a week. Make sure everything's right. Yeah, and put your belt back on. Make sure you're in the grooves on everything else, like your alternator. Main thing is the crank pulley, which is at the bottom. You got to run it basically upside down on the fan. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Once you're done with all that, you just put your ductwork back on, do everything in like reverse basically once you get the new one on. This one was making a clicking noise at idle, and I just didn't like that. I felt like it was probably going to fail. I bought this one. It says made in India. I am not sure about how long that will last, but could prove me wrong. So anyways, if it starts making a funny noise, I'll make another video and tell you how many miles that it lasted. This was put on at 60, I think we're at like 68,000 miles. So, but it's very simple on the H2. Love how the hood comes open where you can get right to it. Perfect. And that's it.